Hi, my name is Satish Alvarthi, working as assistant professor in mechanical department. Today, I would like to explain about different types of gas turbines. In gas turbines, mainly divided into two types. One is open cycle gas turbine, second one is closed cycle gas turbine. Let us discuss about open cycle gas turbines. In gas turbines, the main components are compressor, combustion chamber, turbine. In power generation, the turbine is coupled with generator or alternator. In open cycle gas turbines, the compressor turbine is mounted on a single shaft. This shaft is coupled with alternator or generator. Come to the working processes. Brayton cycle, it works on Brayton cycle. When compressor is rotated, the fresh air is entering into the compressor. That process is adiabatically compression. In the compression, the air is compressed with high pressure. The high pressure of compressed air is sent to the combustion chamber. In this combustion chamber, the gaseous fuel and the compressed air both are mixing in combustion chamber and it is ignited. Finally, it forms a hot gases. That hot gases is hit the gas turbine and this gas turbine gives the work output. In gas turbine, the hot gas is adiabatically expanded and after expansion, the hot gas is released into the atmosphere. In turbine is a device. The output is mechanical energy. This mechanical energy is gives to generator. Generator is a device which convert the mechanical energy into the electrical energy. So output is finally electrical energy. This is the working of open type gas turbine. And come to the closed cycle gas turbines. In the process of closed cycle gas turbine is same as open cycle gas turbine, but the difference is the exhaust is not directly released into the atmosphere. Let us discuss about open cycle gas turbine. When compressor is rotated, the exit of the hot gases from the turbine that is supplied to the input to the compressor with the help of heat exchanger. In the compressor, the exit of the hot gases is used as a input air. This air is compressed and sent to the combustion chamber. In the combustion chamber, the air and fuel is burnt and it releases the hot gases. These hot gases hit the gas turbine. Here gas turbine is coupled with generator. Turbine is rotated, generator shaft also will be rotated. But after expansion of gas turbine, that hot gases were not released into the atmosphere directly. This exhaust hot gases, we are removing the heat with the help of heat exchanger. This heat removal of hot air, we are using input air to the compressor. So the cycle is a closed. That's why it is called as a closed cycle gas turbines. And comparison between open cycle and closed cycle gas turbine. And open cycle gas turbine warm up timing. Once the turbine is brought up to the rated speed by the starting motor and the fuel is ignited, the gas turbine will be accelerated from cold start to full load without warm up time. And another advantage is low weight and size. In open cycle plant occupies less space as compared to the closed cycle gas turbine. And come to the comparison between open and closed cycle. The closed cycle gas turbine need for filtration of the incoming air, which is severe problem in open cycle plant, is completely eliminated. The maintenance cost is low and reliability is high due to longer useful life. The reasons to the load variation is poor compared to the open cycle plant. These are the main difference between the open cycle and closed cycle gas turbines. Now the diagram shows gas turbine power plant layout. The air is taken from atmosphere. That air is entering into the compressor through filter. With the help of filter, any dust particle is removed. After, the air is supplied to the compressor. With the help of compressor, the compressor air is sent to the combustion chamber. In the combustion chamber, the fuel and air is mixer and it is ignited and releases the hot gases. That hot gas is hit the gas turbine. Here gas turbine shaft and alternator shaft both are coupled. When gas turbine is rotated, simultaneously alternator and compressor will be rotated. And gas turbine gives the work output and which convert the kinetic energy into the mechanical energy, and alternator is used for to convert the mechanical energy into the electrical energy. This is the working of the gas turbine power plant. The exhaust we can send to atmosphere, and at the same time we can use as a input of the compressor air. If open cycle gas turbine, the exhaust is released into the atmosphere. If it is a closed cycle gas turbine, the exhaust of the hot gases, we are removing the heat with the help of heat exchanger. That hot gases we are supplying to the compressor. This is the working of gas turbine power plant. Thank you so much.